Hello everyone. In this, we will understand what is research design is all about. When we say research design, it talks about the complete methodology what we are going to adopt in the research, or we can say it is a blueprint to the particular research, whatever we are planning to do. So it refers to the overall strategy or plan of a research project, and it outlines the steps and procedures that will be followed to collect and analyze the data. The principles of research design refer to the fundamental guidelines that are followed while designing a research study to ensure its validity, reliability, and accuracy. What are the key principles? First one, clear research question, adequate sample size, appropriate sampling, randomization, replication, control group, feasibility, valid and reliable instruments, clear and appropriate data analysis, ethical considerations, clear reporting. So this many key principles of research design are there. Clear research question. A well-designed research project begins with a clear and well-defined research question that is focused and specific. So there is a saying which says that half of the problem is solved if our research question is clear and specific. So that much importance is there for a clear research question. The research question should be informed by the existing literature and be feasible to answer through the chosen research methods. Adequate sample size and appropriate sampling. We can clearly identify what should be the sample size depending on the parameters involved in that particular research, and what type of sampling will be suiting, that also we can able to decide. So sampling is basically the process of selecting participants or data points for inclusion in study. The sample should be representative of the population being studied. A sufficient sample size is essential for obtaining reliable results that can be generalized to the population being studied. Randomization, it is the process of assigning participants to groups or conditions in a random manner so that minimization of bias will be possible. Replication, it is basically a repetition of your experiment, whatever you're planning to do, repeatedly to confirm the findings, and also it will lead to generalizability. Control group, use of control groups helps to control for extraneous variables to determine causality. Feasibility, research design should be feasible considering the resources available, time constraints, cost constraints, or any other practical considerations. Valid and reliable measurements used in the study should be valid and should be also reliable to ensure that they accurately measure what we want exactly and what is supposed to measure. So it should measure that one. Clear and appropriate data analysis. Data analysis should be appropriate for the research question and the type of the data collected. And the analysis should be transparent and it should be clear, and we should be able to do replication and it should allow for replication. Ethical consideration. Research should be conducted in an ethical manner, ensuring that the rights and welfare of the participants are protected. Clear reporting. A well-designed research study should be reported in a clear and concise manner, also should be transparent. Sufficient details should be there, which may allow for replication and verification of the results. These are the different key principles for a research design.